Alright, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to check under the tank if there's any more damage under it. If not, then we're good. I'm still thinking if I'm going to reuse the tank or I'm just gonna replace it for a new one. That's kind of expensive, so if the tank is good, then I'm gonna use it. The side mirror is not good at all, so I'm just gonna throw it away. Alright, to remove this tank, I need to remove 4 bolts from it, but first I'm gonna remove this bracket because I can't access to the last 2 bolts because it's blocking it. There you go, last 2 bolts, right there. Alright, let's lift it up. So this motorcycle uses a fuel injected or injectors, which is use a one fuel line to supply those 4 injectors. It uses a fuel pump, which is pretty much easy to work on than carburetors. So I'm just removing the overflow hose. So under here, oops, sorry. So there's a red clip which is you need to move, then you can pull the fuel line. There you go. And you can see the red wire which is connected to the fuel pump. So just one clip and we can remove it. There you go. Now we can lift it up the tank. Easy day. So no damage after all, the ECU is on there. No crack or something on the airbox, which is good. Now we move on. So right over here, I'm checking all the wirings from the tail, because this is the most the damage was. So good things, no broken tabs, no broken wires. Because there's another lot of problem if there's another one, because you don't know which wire is gonna go. So let's start unplugging them, because we're gonna fix it. We cannot fix the frame with the wirings on it. So I used to return all the bolts where I take them out, so I won't lose them. So here's the battery tray. Yep. So pretty much in a good shape. There's just a broken tab right here and a bend on the other side. So pretty much we can still use it. So I'll start finding the right place where I can attach the wirings. So I'm going to try our first method is that I would try to torch the base frame where they are mounting it. So if it gets softened, I'm gonna try to pull it back. But yep, it's a pretty tough frame, really hard. But yeah, that's our first try, guys. Fail. So we're just gonna continue doing the subframe later, but for now we're going to start the handlebar issue, which is bent down on the left side and some broken controls on the right. So we're not able to start it without the kill switch, and I don't want to risk it. So while waiting for the parts, I'm going to disconnect all the controls and levers, and we're going to try to stretch and straighten this handlebar. If we cannot save it, then I guess we're just gonna order another one. Okay, next we're going to remove this headlight assembly that we have. Pretty much, even though we don't see any broken pieces on the front or outside, we still need to check the inside mounting, because if there's any broken mountings or bolts inside, that's pretty much dangerous while you're running 80 miles or 100 miles an hour on the highway. Alright, just checking the radiator too and the exhaust. And I go start 2 bolts down the headlight and 2 bolts on the top. Start unplugging all the wiring. So this has 2 bulbs, which is we need to remove as well from the headlight bulb on the back, and there's a running light as well. So 3 wires, I think. Yeah. So here you go. So pretty much we're so lucky that there's no damage on the headlight. Well, there's a little bit of scratch right there, but pretty much it's still lucky to have this thing. They're like $500 in the store. So here you go, guys. I just did to straighten the handlebars. Pretty much not the perfect, but one of the nicest I did, you know. So yep, I'm just putting it back and put in the right torque. There you go. Yeah, pretty much on the right side where most of the damage. Kind of curious why there's no damage on that or bent. It has it on the left side instead of right. and it works. And right over here, I'm going to remove this sticker, which is, I just don't like the design for some reason. So it's time to go. So this before and after. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. So while I'm cleaning, I want to thank myself for editing this video. I want to thank myself for fixing this bike and spending too much money to it. Nah, just kidding. I'm just happy on fixing stuff. So I'll see you guys later on my next video. Catch up.